Today's recipe, coconut chickpea curry. As simple as it sounds and as simple as it is. Let's begin. Literally a South Indian style of making chana. And by chana, I mean Kabuli chana. Well, we all associate chana with Punjab, with Delhi, with Haryana, with Lucknow and places like that. But for a change, a South Indian chickpea recipe. Let's begin with the wet paste. First things first, freshly grated coconut. To this, untoasted coriander seeds. Along with this, a touch of turmeric powder. Couple of dried red chilies. Well, instead of this, you could also add in chili powder, of course. Let's add in untoasted fennel seeds, a generous pinch of black mustard seeds, cloves, a tiny piece of star anise, just pinch it, couple of blades of mace, a stick of cinnamon, couple of peppercorns for that extra added spice, and last but not the least, a tiny little smidgen of nutmeg. Let's add in 3 tablespoons of cold water. We cover this and grind this into a fine and smooth paste. Our wet paste is done and ready. Let's move on to the next component, and that is the tempering. Let's keep this aside for now and begin straight in the pressure cooker. Now this way, you'll end up saving a lot of time because the chana needs to be pressure cooked. 3-4 whistles and that should be perfect. In case you have pre-cooked chana or canned chanas, you can begin directly with the tempering. Open the can and straight add in the can of chickpeas with the water. Remember this. High flame and add in regular vegetable oil. Let's begin with chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, curry leaves and chopped onions. Let's saute this for a couple of minutes. And once the onions turn translucent, I'm going to add in the ground paste. Let's stir this well and add in our soaked chickpeas, salt and chopped tomatoes. Let's stir this well and add in thin coconut milk. We stir this well. Allow this to cook under pressure for 20 minutes or under 3 whistles. Once the whistles are done, off goes the flame. Allow the pressure to completely settle down, after which we'll check for seasoning, make a quick stir, and then this straight goes on the dinner table. With this, our coconut chickpea curry is done and ready. Now, what do you serve this with? You can serve this with a couple of things. You can serve this with sannas. Of course, they go in, but they'll go very well with something like this. You can serve this with puttu. You can serve this with rice. You can serve this with ghee rice, lemon rice, or quintessentially with Malbari parathas. Make this for family, make this for friends, and see how they smile back at you. This is me, the Bombay chef, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.